Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create, change or delete Realmojis on BeReal. So here when I open up my BeReal app and when I go to discovery, I can see all the BeReals of the photos of the people that have posted. So what if I want to send an emoji to this picture? For that I need to click on this smile button. So here when I click on the like icon, you will see camera open up and I can create my BeReal. So when I click on tick, now when I click on tick, you will see that this has been sent to this person. So what if I want to delete this emoji? For that I need to click on the smile icon again and then hold that emoji a little bit, and then you will see the cross icon. Click on it and then click confirm, and there you go, your emoji has been removed. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and like our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.